Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about how to set the material in SKP file. Then you can change in here or change in the AiHouse. Okay, like this. Okay. So first thing you must set the material here. You must select the material. Okay, this one, make sure it's not empty like colors, or make sure it's not empty like colors. So make sure has texture. For example, I'll change this one to a texture. So I'll give it a texture lah, this one. Okay, give it a texture. Here, I'll give it a texture. Give it a texture. Then at the back here, give another color, give another texture. Give another texture. Select. Okay, just select it. Okay, give another texture. Method one. Maybe this one I change another method. Or simply select here. Okay. And I need to ungroup it first. Okay, this one, right click, explore. Okay, after that, click on this one, put some texture material right here. Consider texture material. Okay. Okay. We're almost done. Okay. After that, remember group back. This one group it back. Okay. Right click, make group, navigate one group. Okay, so remember you save as. Okay, so usually I will save this one. Latest 2, 3, 4, 5. Save as 0015 also can save as. Okay, so save already, then this one can exit. So we come back to here. Let's say we have successful upload. Okay, then I drag the fence, move it down a bit. Then you can change the material like this. Just drag the material. Maybe this one I drag some wood texture like this. See? Okay. This one I want to make it black, making little black color. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.